Kabosco Integrated Development Society lingba ka Project Child Friendly Shillong kalapanlong ya ka awareness program ha ka bayday bat ka jingsngan jangki kena kamtam ki bayat lenti hasurok bat pen kan mau ya kinong nya ha ka bayday bat ki anya kali ha ka tega sngi la sam da ki kot Lynkdop ya ki kali ki pen khen ya ki anya kali bat ya ka ni ka awareness program lasdang na lumding jri bat nong thamai bat la pen kut ha Don Bosco Square
Jadi ka safety bagi kuat pangin spread awareness segi beriau jangan ni ka selong safety bahkan long ka ba besok kain mo bagi ya sun seneng kan long ka ba kadang jagi accident ingin spread awareness segi ni na lingba de road safety lingba de zebra crossing lingba de segi ban obi kiru si lingba ban petip supaya ba bahkan long mengihap ban buat ni kini mengilai lagi di accident mo nomor komplit ka pemerintah dengan ni ka surok ini muta ada sebab karet sebab kibri dia nyak rumah reka kan dia asaka sosaka dekat pun ka jengma kan khatam iki kena ngilek kena kali yang pada vision nam tak kena bakin suk Pyniaid kinong kan kanong kanong jare basusi kan muta doki de tang tahi nakaliang songa
kan ka pemerintah sini tolong ikan program semua orang bak kibri juni kindi bal aktif kan ka pertigu semua pak jadi kaba kila aktif meneripat ka sulong napat diperkendit beriau kan kumbang nilai pihak aku akan ka sulong sendiri kalau cat war bunsin ka di aksiden dia tambah meneripat kalong bala dengi mangi bacapat ba ini teri kamlang lalu kan kalong kata kasi urlang ladaku mentakan si mangi nilak ban penkelai kibri ulah ni penkelai ka jimut di tang san pungut makanan na borok ka kibri ku dan sulong kala ade ka sukses program ni.
The purpose of this program is to make sure that everyone they are aware of the traffic rules and to follow the rules properly. And for those children, some parents they wear helmet, but their children is not wearing helmet. But to make sure that the children also is wearing helmet, so that we don't know what might happen to us. So just to make sure that the children is wearing helmet to be safe. And for the pedestrian also we are giving awareness so that they will know to use the zebra crossing while crossing the road to be safe.
We are the students from the Indian Institute of Professional Studies. We are pursuing a Master of Social Work. We have placed a field work in BITS organization, that is the Bosco Integrated Development Society, under the project Child Friendly Shillong. So the purpose of this project, this awareness program on traffic rule and road safety is to inform the individual about the safe practice on road. It aims also is to reduce accidents, injury, also